Well, here we are. Our bait. It's all chopped up. Some mackerel and butterfish. As you can see, got the chum slick going. Got some floats out there. This is my in close in case one comes up behind the boat. It's about 20 feet down. Second one, about 50 yards behind the boat. That's at 50 feet down. There's another one about 100 yards behind the boat. If you see it floating out there. That one's 90 feet down. And hopefully shark on, shark on. Okay, here we are, still fighting the fish. I believe it's a thresher. Kind of sounded deep. See, I don't have any hands on here. Up to my back, but the shark sounded, so that's why I think it's a thresher. It's been about a half hour right now, and hopefully we get to see him soon. Well, I'm in a 25-foot boat, and we just measured him alongside, and he's all 14 feet. He's at least half the size of the boat, so let's say 13 to 14 feet. That's one big shark. Ain't he pretty? Woo! Uh-oh. One big shark. Here it comes. Look at that. Look at him.
Look at that. It was $1.75, but it was released. Now he's smart.
That's a big thresher, folks. If I can, I'll try to. Look at them shake, rattle, and roll. There comes the tail. Woo, baby. Look at the size of him.
Is everybody else drifting in circles?
Ah! That was a tag and release, folks.